We make the strings louder.
Hi bro, Shoaib bro.
Hi Abhilash.
So my bike is finally done. Thank you, Xtorq.
You're welcome. It was a good experience of working on your bike.
So bro, how do you charge service charge and everything?
So Abhilash, how we charge for the bike services? Okay, we have two slabs.
Okay.
One slab would be 500cc below and 500cc above. So 500cc below for a service is 1,700 rupees. That includes all the labor to do the service. Basically, oil change, oil filter change, lubrication of cables, wash, chain key, chain loop, tuning of the bike, everything. Throttle body clean, air filter clean. That's the package. Same applies to your bike also. Being a 500cc and above, the super bike segment, we charge 3,200 for your bike. Okay, so right now your expense for the complete service of your bike is 3,200. That is the labor for the service, and oil, which is like 3 liters fully synthetic oil. Let's say that is about 3,000 bucks, and the oil filter, that is around 1,000 bucks for your bike. So that includes the overall service for your bike.
Bro, how much do you charge for an hour now?
Yeah, so we have a labor basis saying per hour basis labor.
Okay.
So 1 hour for your bike will be 900 rupees. So that is like, say, let's say apart from service. So service we have a package that is fixed for 3,200. But if you do, let's say you have something else to do on your bike, let's say you have accessories to fit, or probably performance tuning to do on your bike, or exhaust install, or clutch plates replace. So what happens is on that, when that criteria comes, then we charge you by 900 per hour. Let's say a tire change, both the tire change is 1 hour, so the labor is 900 rupees. So that's how we do it.
For a 300cc bike?
That is 425 rupees. So
okay.
the
The
labor
minimal is 425.
425 for 500cc and below, and 900 for 500cc and above.
Okay.
That's how it is.
Okay. So apart from service, what are the other service you do?
Here at Xtorq, apart from servicing the bikes, we offer performance tuning, that is remapping of the bikes.
Okay.
Then we specialize in race builds. We build race bikes. We already have built circuit KTMs for the circuit, and we have recently built a drag S1000RR, and it's still under process, so we are doing that. And
How much beach is that?
a stock S1000 is somewhere close to 200. Okay, so this right now stock engine, but with only bolt-on accessories. That is like we have Dynojet Power Commander on it, full system exhaust, then remapping it, then custom tuning, all that done. I think we have gained about 10 to 11 bhp with the bolt-on stuff. So now we are going to go, next step is going to be in-depth. We are going to do the engine work and everything else. So that is for the latest stages. So you'll definitely know once we start
this
building.
is stage 2.
Right now it is running on stage 1, and next we are going to do stage 2.
Okay. Bro, as being an MB, so how do you source parts for other bikes, like exclusive bikes like MB?
So right now you know how the situation is, and you have gone through the situation wherein MB Agusta is shutting down, and you do not have an option for an authorized service center. So we have an advantage is because when initially MB Agusta entered India, and your bike especially, I have an attachment because I was the one who did the PDI for this bike before it was delivered to you. So we were the authorized service center for MB at that point of time. So apart from that, the advantage we have is we have a computerized diagnostic system. I think we are the only people in India, apart from manufacturers. We have 44 brands of motorcycles of diagnostic with us, and later on I will show you how we do it, how it is carried out, and you can get a rough idea how it is. So we have an advantage over Ducatis and BMWs. I'll tell you how that is. There's something called as a Desmo service in Ducati.
Yeah.
So that is something people struggle with. Why? Because when you do that Desmo service at the manufacturer or say the authorized service center, it lands up a cost about 90,000 with the procedures and everything. So we do apart from Ducati, we are the only people in India who can do a Desmo and reset your bike as for Desmo also. But we charge complete with oil, servicing of the bike, carrying out the Desmo procedures and checks on your bike, and resetting it. We charge about somewhere around maximum about 25 to 30,000.
So worth, bro.
Yeah, so it's a fraction and we have done it also. We have done it to a Scrambler, we have done it to an 899, and the customers are really happy because they are saving a lot of money in that. And wherein BMW, the advantage we have with our tool is, now let's say you being a BMW owner also.
Yeah.
So there is a procedure. When you buy a bike, it is locked. So you cannot go beyond 120 kilometers or it doesn't rev above 7,000 RPM. So that is because of the first service duration. Once it is done, I think they unlock the bike.
Yeah, they'll unlock.
So here the advantage is, apart from BMW, we are the only ones who can do it in India.
Okay.
So we can remove the restriction, carry out the service if the customer wants it. We can carry out the first service, remove the limitation, unlock his bike and give it. And when the first question what you asked me about the parts, we have our own channels abroad. So recently we got parts for an engine build on a Ducati. So it's all genuine parts. So we have people in Italy, Europe, wherever the parts are there. If it is available, we have connects and channels there. And for your bike also, parts were brought down from Italy for the service and everything, and it's been carried out. So that's how it is. We have channeled and we have resources where we can get parts. Right now it is slow due to the COVID situation. The imports are slow, and that's the reason why I think your bikes also it just got delayed because of the availability of parts. And but slowly it's moving up. So people who come to us don't have to worry about major parts. We can get it. Service parts, Japanese and all, I think we readily have it. Clutch plates, brakes, your brake pads, your levers, your oil filters, air filters, stock replacement. That is all available. But major components, yes, we get it on order basis, and it's possible with this.